Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road at the University Village Apartments. I'm getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. Turned out to be another beautiful day today, rain free. We and now appearing that we may be rain free for the most part all the way through Sunday now. It's now beginning to look like Monday's going to be the rain day, but we are going to start being very cloudy to mostly cloudy toward Friday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon through Sunday, and then gets the rain on Monday is the way it's looking right now. Now there is a little tiny 20% chance of an afternoon or early evening isolated shower or thunderstorm during that time frame, but for the most part we're all going to stay dry with lows around 70 to highs around 88 to 90 roughly. So we're going to continue this beautiful summer days that's a little cooler than normal. Okay, I think I'm going to try something a little new tonight. I hope it works. I'm going to temporarily at least stop posting the print version of the evening climate data on my Facebook and Twitter pages and just put it all here on my video. And hopefully it'll work that way. Now let me see if I can get this up here and I'll show you my notes. Kind of do it old-fashioned way. If I can see it to where I know what I'm reading. And let me see if I can get it to where you can see it. As of, that's the wrong day. I knew I'd put that on there backwards. Starting off. Now if I get my paper to quit moving. What is this? 5 p.m. There we go. 5 p.m. Here in North Jackson. Yeah, that's correct, I think. Let me make sure the date's on there right. Thursday, April the 10th. Yep, that's today's. As of 5 p.m., if I can get it close enough you can read it. As of 5 p.m., the skies were mostly clear. I hope you can hear through the paper okay. The temperature was 91 degrees. It felt like 94 degrees. That's the heat index, of course. 66 degrees would be the dew point. 44% would be the humidity. The winds would be out of the north at 6 miles per hour or weather. And the barometric pressure is 30.04 inches of mercury. Today's today's low was 69 degrees. Hey, we had a perfect low this morning. How about that? Normal would be, 68. And normal high would be 91. We had a high of 92. So we went just over what's normal. That's okay though, still felt nice. And of course that 91 degrees there would be the 5 o'clock current temperature. No rainfall fell today. And that means that for the month of August, we're sitting at 39 hundredths of an inch. And for the year, we've had 30.93 inches here in North Jackson. Now the lowest relative humidity today was 41% at 3 p.m. The highest would be, if I can get my paper aimed right here, 100%, and that was at 2, 6, and 7 a.m. this morning. Now the highest heat index today, I gotta hold this a bit better than this, was 94 degrees, and that was at 3 through 5 p.m. It was today's highest heat index. What was the lowest? I done gave you that. The highest and lowest barometric pressure now would be 30.04 at 5 p.m. for the lowest barometric pressure. and the highest would be 30.13 inches. Oh my goodness, I forgot to write down what time that occurred. I sure did. Well, I don't know. I just know that was the highest. I'll have to look that up and the timing, and I'll try to remember to mention that tomorrow. Okay. Oh, okay, hold this steady enough. Highest wind gust today would be 14 miles per hour out of the northwest at the Jackson, Tennessee airport, and that occurred at 2:13 p.m. The next stuff would be information weather. Sun sets tonight at 7:49 p.m. Rises tomorrow morning at 6:11 a.m. The moon will be rising tonight at 9:59 p.m. and be setting tomorrow morning at 8:54 a.m. Now the records for today, where are they? Here they are. Records for August the 10th, 103 degrees would be the hottest high in 2006. The coolest high would be 81 degrees in 1960. The warmest low would be 76 degrees in 1977 and 2010. And the coldest low would be 55 degrees in 1989. And today's rainfall record would be 2.40 inches, and that occurred in 2006. Alrighty, that's an old-fashioned looking at my notes style. Hopefully that'll be okay for a little while. Okay, now that I got through that, hopefully okay, I'll go ahead and read you the forecast for the next few days, then I'll show you the graphs. The forecast is basically calling for generally fair skies, partly cloudy at worst, mostly clear to partly cloudy, through at least noon tomorrow. Then it's going to become mostly cloudy with a small 20% chance of an isolated brief shower or thunderstorm. There's no way to pinpoint exactly when. It could be just any time during that afternoon and early evening time frame. The low tomorrow morning should be about 70 degrees. Tomorrow's high should hit about 89 degrees, which will be cooler than today's 92. And we should have west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour tomorrow. On Saturday, it's going to be continued mostly cloudy. Really not expecting no rain, but just to play it safe, I'll go ahead and put a 20% chance of an isolated brief shower or thunderstorm, probably during the afternoon hours, if at all. The low temperature should be about 70, the high should be about 88, and we should have north winds at 10 to 20. On Sunday, continued mostly cloudy, with the low near 66 and a high of 87, with south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Okay, let me see. It might give you Monday and Tuesday just for the fun of it. That's such a thing. Monday, it looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy. Oh boy, that's the rainy day now, as of right now, with an 80% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till Monday night, then just mostly cloudy, with a low near 69 and a high of 86, with south winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, very cloudy, with a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till noon, then just very cloudy till Tuesday night, then becoming fair, with a low near 69 and a high of 86, with northeast winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And I'll cut it on that, and of course, if you'd like to read the complete 9-day forecast, which will take you through, I believe it's Saturday week, the 19th of this month, you can go to my forecast web page at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com and read it there if you'd like to. Alrighty, let me move on to some other pictures that I like showing to you, or graphs. Tonight I'm going to go ahead and go back to showing you the Weather Underground's frontal map or surface map features, and I got the national radar pulled up on that too, so you can see kind of where it's raining and where it isn't nationwide, but I'll show you a closer view momentarily. Well, let me turn the camera around so that you can see it as well. As you can see, I'm even using that's pretty clear. You can see here from this one that there's a low pressure system not far from Memphis, and a warm front to our east and a cold front to our southwest. And you would think we'd be having a lot of showers and thunderstorms because of that, but that's not always true. And today's one of those days. And that front goes way on off the coast, way on out until the Atlantic coast, ocean weather. And the front stops in Texas. You can see where it's raining south of us pretty good. You'll get a closer view of that in just a few moments. And it's not really showing that rain down in Mexico from that hurricane, so apparently the hurricane has really tore up or dissipated some of Franklin down there. It's supposed to move through kind of the east central coast of Florida, Mexico, this morning. But most of the precipitation corner of this one is closer to Texas and on up toward Arizona. Okay, good for them. And here you see where the highs and lows are out west, and where it's raining and where it isn't. Even Canada is in pretty good shape today, at least the southern portions are. Most of the rain is near the Great Lakes area, north of us. And that pretty much concludes the whole nation as a whole. Cuba has more rain almost than Mexico. But Cuba's a smaller island. And some off of the Florida coastline. There's actually a tropical depression trying to form just off of the east side of Florida down there. Hopefully it won't turn into anything major. Alright, that's the frontal map for you. Let's go to the local map for way off of Memphis. Thank you, AccuWeather. As you can see here in West Tennessee and around us, we're in the clear again. Thank goodness. And most of the rain's well over there towards north central Arkansas, a little bit southwest of Memphis there. I think that's close to Forest City, Arkansas there. And then there's some scattered around in northern Mississippi that you can see, but it's not moving in our direction. So we're still in the clear as far as that goes. Alright. Move on to the local Tennessee radar and satellite combo. Looks like East Tennessee is getting a little bit of rain, but not really a whole lot. And over here, we're basically clear for the most part in West Tennessee. How about that? Close-up view right there. Well, cool. There's some scattered around in different parts of the country or south of us. None of that's coming our way. Okay, let me put it down and go to the regional one. The regional southeast radar and satellite combo. And as you see from there, Tennessee's basically in the clear. Clouds over in East Tennessee. North Carolina's mixed with some clouds. Looks like my friend Dylan Wilson has some nice weather over there near Raleigh, North Carolina. And a little town he's actually in just north of there, and for some reason the name of the place is slipping my mind at the moment. There you see where it's raining with the sun shining down in Florida, down in Key West. It's not too bad down there in most of the state. Most of the rain is well south of us along the Gulf Coast for the most part, and probably stay down there. Well, alrighty. Well, I guess that's it for today. I hope all of you have a very pleasant afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this new version, and I hope it works out on a regular basis. Well, all of you, I hope you have a very pleasant Thursday night, August the 17th. Sweet dreams, and I hope you'll enjoy tomorrow, August the 18th, 2017. It'll be fair to lunch, and then we might have a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm anytime during the afternoon and evening, but for the most part, it'll just be mostly cloudy. Well, alrighty. Good night, folks. Sweet dreams, and I'll catch you later.